strawberries. Pick me up, morning pick me up. Ready. Okay, so let's wash the strawberries. Okay, I already peeled the aloe, so this is gonna be nice antioxidant, vitamin C, and aloe. Here it is. So we put this in first. Putting the strawberries. Put in my orange. I already cut this up. It's just to show y'all. So y'all can have this in the morning, and it's really good. It cleans your blood, detoxifies you. It's good. Vitamin C. It's natural, and I always like to put some apple and Eve in it, which is 100% juice. Thank you. So the bitterness, because y'all know aloe is bitter. If y'all don't know, y'all know now. It's bitter. So you just put some of this in there. Call it a day. And y'all know I'm doing this with one hand. So this is what it looks like before. And with this, you could boil it, or you could put it out to dry. You can use it as an air freshener if you boil it and put vanilla in the pot on the stove. That's like an air freshener, a natural air freshener if you like orange smell. Okay. And I got my stainless steel straw to get on the environment. And my Dunkin' cup. Alrighty. Ooh. See, it's hard to do it. Holding the phone one hand. Okay, let's see if I can try to do it. Yummy. Okay, let's open it. Shake it up. Open it. Okay, I really need to go get a tripod. So mine broke. I'm gonna get a new one so y'all can see me. Yes. So it's perfect for one cup. That's what it looks like. And now, so good. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next time. Now I'm about to head out. I'm about to get ready and head out. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna cut up some seasoning next time. I'll show you how to do some homemade sofrito. Have a great day. Okay, how cute is this bag at Ross? Look at the name. What? Okay, look at all the stuff I got. Okay, let's go see how I'm looking. Hey guys, how cute is this bag? Yes, I'm looking. I'm looking. Ow, ow, bam, bam. Let's get the pose. Let's get the Instagram pose. So cute. Okay. You know, somebody's sleeping.